Hey guys, my name is Shadi Rafai. I'm a real estate agent with Exit. So this video is really about what you should be asking when you're visiting properties and some important questions related to that. First example are appliances. So what comes with the home? Are there only a couple of appliances that are included? And what's the condition of those appliances? Are there some that are sold as is? Second of all, I would also ask if there are any exclusions. Things that you would actually think are part of the sale because they look like they're permanent, but actually the client is noting that they're taking it with them. So that's also a really important aspect, just not to be let down when it comes to the closing of the property. So the second important question to ask is, what are the utility costs on average in the last year for this property? That'll actually allow you to better budget and make sure you don't have any surprises on top of your mortgage and your other expenses. And in terms of the utilities, they can vary depending on the property, the age, and the location. So it's important to get to know what to expect when it comes to utilities and how much that's going to actually cost you. So another question to ask in a competitive market like this is, when is the ideal time for the seller to close? Sometimes aligning your sale with the seller's desire can give you that advantage. So it's a good thing to know what the seller is expecting for closing time, and if you can actually accommodate that to have greater chances to win when it comes to presenting your offer. So a final question I would ask related to more specifically rural properties would be related to the septic and the well system. Sometimes you have homes with different age systems, and you want to make sure that they are in good working condition and how old they actually are. Sometimes you have water tests that have been done, or you can have a general idea on the lifespan of a septic system and see where the current system is in comparison to that. So that's all guys for this episode. Thanks for tuning in, and if you like my channel, feel free to subscribe below. See you next time.